Hi boys and girls, this video is to show you how to log on to your TCI account. The first thing you want to do is go to www.teachtci.com. Then you're going to sign in on your screen on your tablet. It looks a little bit different than my screen, so let me show you what it will look like. There should be three little lines on the top right hand corner of the screen, and if you click those, there's going to be a drop down button and that will let you choose student sign in. So after you click student sign in, you're going to enter your teacher's username, which is H2 first grade. Then you're going to enter your username, which is your first name. My name's Michelle, and room number. And my classroom is room 153. Now for some of you, you might have to put your last initial. For example, I might have to put Michelle W if there's more than one Michelle in the class. Make sure you check your login information to see that your username is correct. Then you're going to put in your password. And go ahead and sign in. Okay, so now that we're here, on the left-hand side of your screen right here, you're going to see these little purple arrows. So you need to click those purple arrows and go to assignments. Well, in assignments, you should see U2-L1. That's your assignment for today. So you need to click this little purple arrow to access it. So again, on the left-hand side of your screen, you should see these little arrows. You might need to click them to find assignments. Click your assignment. You'll only have one. I have two, but you will only have one. And you can access it by pressing that purple arrow. Now, after you click that arrow, you'll see a drop-down menu. And you're always going to start with Introduction. Click on Introduction, and you're all ready to go with your lesson. Let me show you one more time. Hey, underneath Assignments, click on the assignments. You should see your assignment. It'll say U2-L1 and some more information. Press the purple arrow and click Introduction. Okay, here we are. So you're going to be reading or listening to and then reading, or both, reading and listening at the same time. You can read along to our assignment for today. So we're doing some review. We're going back to what we learned about light, and we're going to read that text. So if you'd like to listen to the text, you just press play, and the text will be read for you. As you go through, you will also see our science words, and you can click on science words to get a vocabulary card. For example, light. I can flip the card and it will show me a picture and what the word means. I'm going to go ahead and close that out and go back to my assignment. Next, at the bottom of the screen, you press Next section. Okay, and you're going to continue doing this until you reach the end when you can't do it anymore. So one important thing to make sure that you're doing is that you're scrolling all the way down to the bottom of the page, because there is where you'll find some questions. Now, sometimes they'll look like this, where you just choose your answer. And then you can check. Other times it'll look a little bit different and we'll see that, oh, look right here. It'll look something like this, where it's maybe asking you to draw a picture or circle the correct answer, and you can use this button to draw your picture on your tablet. Again, make sure you go all the way down to press next section. Now, before we move on, I want to show you something. Look, it says saved at 11:46 a.m. That means that I don't have to submit anything to my teacher. My teacher can already see the work that I've done. So I keep going through the sections, of course, answering every question. I'm not answering the questions, but you need to be answering the questions. Oopsie. Oh, another cool thing, you can click on a picture and it will pop up and you can zoom in on that picture. Okay, we've reached the end. Oh, we have not reached the end, I'm sorry. We reached the end. I know this because I can't click next section. It's gray, it's not purple. Now, when you get here, you don't need to message your teacher and let them know that you're done. We can already see your work on there. So you don't need to submit anything. Again, when you can't click anymore, there's no purple button for next section, it's gray instead. You are all finished. When you are finished with the reading and the questions, you're going to go, your screen will probably look like this. You're going to go back to those purple arrows and look for lesson game. Oops, I'm sorry, I've already completed the lesson game, and it shows me what questions I got correct and which ones I did not get right. Now, for your lesson game, it might look a little bit different from day to day. This one is a fun one that there are, I think, 4 questions and a bonus question, and you just click each block in order. For the lesson game, as soon as you get here, you're all finished. You don't need to submit anything. We already have it. So you can go to your account at the top right corner and go ahead and sign out, all ready to sign back in for tomorrow's lesson. All right, boys and girls, we look forward to seeing your work through TCI. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.